Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out some amazing 3D mockups. Look at these. These look beautiful and would look wonderful on your Behance portfolios or any other portfolio in general. Also, we're going to see some animation stuff as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Alright, so the first tool we're checking out is called Lottie in Vectary. So Vectary is a popular 3D tool that you can use inside your browser itself, but now they have Lottie animations and GIF animation support for these mockups, so you can put actual prototypes inside a 3D mockup. I'm gonna put a little preview on screen on how you can quickly just download a Lottie file from Lottie Files and you can insert it into any object on screen inside Vectary using their material panel, and the material panel now supports Lottie files. I think this is really cool. It will really look good if you have, say, an animation and you want to export it as a Lottie and then preview it inside a 3D object like a watch or a phone. This would be super useful for you. Again, Vectary is free to try, so go ahead and check it out. I would love to see what you guys create. There's something really cool called Mockupz. And Mockupz basically allows you to present your work in style, as they say. And as you can see, it's so wonderful, realistic, and 3D. So you can quickly just grab these assets and start creating on your own. And they have different versions, different colors for each and every thing. Also, if you want to edit these in detail in something like a spline tool or Blender, they have tutorials on how to do that as well. So you can learn as well as implement. They have a very nice library which supports Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, Illustrator, Photoshop, InVision Studio, and Blender. So you can basically use this on any software that you're using. In total, you have 10 handcrafted scenes with multiple colors and styles here. Apart from that, when you download the library, you will get various assets individually as well, so you can then edit them and put it as you can see on screen. Someone's edited a little doggo in front of this little iPhone here, which I think is really cute. It is absolutely free, so you can just put $0 here and then you can download it. Alright, so this one's called UI Generator, and it's not exactly a 3D mockup creator, but it's great if you want to create mockups instantly. And of course, you can put it inside an actual 3D mockup if you like to have a UI inside like that. Of course, you can change the colors and the colorway for this. You can change what kind of application this is. So it will create a UI design for you, a custom UI design for you, so that you can then utilize this and maybe even fiddle around with it. I think I'll be using this in my thumbnail today for YouTube, etc., to get these nice little designs and UIs for your mockups. Mockrocket. Now, Mockrocket is a really great 3D tool on your web again. Kind of reminds me of Spline, but it's very basic, and of course animate them as well. It has the ability to animate your mockups in real time, so you'll be able to see what you're really doing here. They even have a Figma plugin now, so you can basically import all your Figma designs into this tool and then just instantly convert it into 3D mockups. I think that is really cool, and they also have a nice interface for that for Figma, so you won't feel lost or you won't feel like this is a tool you don't want to use. You have a wide variety of tools that you can use inside this. You can edit the camera, the blurriness, the depth of field if you want, and you can even focus on a certain part of the mockup. I think that's really cool and detailed. You can even check out all the different devices that they have: phones, the MacBooks, the laptops, the desktops, etc. You can even change the angles and the positions, and they also have something called a dynamic screen glow, which allows you to have that nice little realistic glow from your UI design onto the device. So if your UI design is like a green UI design, there'll be a little green tint on the laptop right here. I think that's really cool. And if you have the premium features, you'll be able to export in 4K resolution. Not sure who will be needing that, but if you're a company or an organization looking for super high quality exports, this is the one for you. They also have timelines, so you'll be able to edit and animate. After Effects, I think this would be a nice alternative to After Effects mockups. I found this really cool resource called Mockupz Store, and they have a lot of cool mockups that you can either buy or get for free. So for example, I really love this one. It is automatic screen replacement, so you'll be able to just drag and drop into these. Look at how high quality these are, almost cinematic. So if you want to really present your designs in the best way possible, this I think is the best thing to get. I love how they've really implemented the UIs and really fit it with the colors and the environment. I love it. I know I've shown other realistic models, but I feel a lot of companies are using these as well, because I see a lot of these high quality hands, etc. on your different websites, etc. I think this is where they get it from. Of course, you'll get all your mobile models. Apart from that, apart from the models in the hands, you'll also get the scenes that you just viewed. Then you can edit it inside Figma or any tool of your choice. Now, if you want it for personal use, you're just using it internally, there's nobody really looking at it, you just right click and save an image. However, if you really want the entire experience, this particular pack is $32, which I think is really good if you're a company or someone who just wants good premium quality assets. Apart from that, they have something called freebies. So the store has all their freebies listed on one page. Very, very well made and very cinematic, to be honest. I would love to, use this in my next project. Again, most of these are either sketch files, Photoshop files, or Figma files. So you'll be able to use it cross-platform if you like. Apart from this, the store also has something called just Mockups. So you'll be able to see all Mockups, either paid or free. So there's some discounts going on as well. But I love the sceneries and the assets. You would have to spend hundreds of dollars on something like this. I think this is a steal. The next tool is called Masker, and it basically allows you to, utilize all these masks. So you can mask your UI designs in the form of a Google Pixel, an iPhone 10, iPhone 8, whatever you like. So basically, when you're trying to make those flat UIs with a little phone mask, I think this is a great tool to kind of get started there, and then you can implement it on any iPhone. So if you're really looking to kind of get your designs onto an iPhone without working too hard, this has ready-made masks for your UI designs. I think this will be super useful. The next one is from VIP Graphics. It's Shadow Mockups for Figma. So if you want to display your UI designs and assets on a particular shadow, they have everything ready for you. So if I zoom into this, you'll be in a second be able to see what I'm talking about. You can either get these simple shadows for your designs like this, looks really cool, but if for free. But if you want the full premium, of course, you can get this full bundle of 20 plus unique mockups created in Figma. Of course, I think this is really, really cool. And you can check out the entire packs here as well. So if you want shadows, nice shadow effects on your mockups, this is another tool or resource for you guys. Now, if you're looking for some cool Figma resources, I think Brix templates gets it done. They have all these resources created in Figma itself. So you'll be able to use all these mockups in Figma. All the necessary devices are there with different angles. You even have a lot of UI mockups in general, which you can check out apart from this. But I think this is a great place to get started if you just want something simple in Figma. So those were some of the best 3D mockups. If you have any resource in mind, make sure you put that in the comments below. Apart from that, I post such videos every Monday and Thursday. So make sure you check out my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also have the bell icon clicked. Also like the video if you did. I'll see you every Monday and Thursday, same time, same place. Until next time, take care. God bless.